Hope you enjoy watching Discover Joy.
First, I couldn't decide between Frankfurt or Munich. Frankfurt, the city from that Korean drama queen of tears, or Munich, the one I've dreamed of since I was a kid staring at a Neuschwanstein Castle poster in our living room. Guess what? Childhood nostalgia beat logic. I'm off to Munich. So yeah, don't forget your long sleeves, even in summer. Oh, and mornings? Definitely wrist chart bread. 4 days here, and I basically lived in long sleeves. Day 1, I'm starting with the classic exploring around Marienplatz. This mustard sandwich is a bit spicy and seriously delicious. And of course, beer time. Right in front of me, there's a Hard Rock Cafe. When you go to a restaurant here, just tell the staff near where you want to sit. They'll usually let you grab the spot once it's free. I made the rookie mistake of asking someone way in the back, so yeah, I ended up sitting in the back too. The next day, I took the train to Neuschwanstein Castle. At first, I was thinking of joining a bus tour since I thought the train might be tiring, but it was way more expensive, so I made the brave decision to go by train instead. Including the 40-minute uphill walk, I ended up walking about 22,000 steps that day. Good workout. If you prefer to stay under 10,000 steps, a bus tour that stops at a couple of spots might be a better option. A bit pricey. For the DB train, I got the Bayern ticket, a round-trip ticket for up to 5 people, about €100. And that's the schedule for a one-day trip to the castle by train. As you can see, Visiting inside the castle around noon is probably the best timing. To get there, I took a direct DB Regio train from Munich Central Station to Fussen. The ride is super scenic, lots of greenery, and as you get closer to the castle, the houses start to look more Swiss style, which is really cool. Arrived at Fussen station. Of course, I had to get another German hot dog. And come on, it's Germany, so I had to grab some Haribo. From Fussen station, head to the right, you'll find a bus stop for Neuschwanstein Castle. The bus ride is about 10 minutes. Sometimes, your train ticket also works for the bus, so just show it to the driver to make sure. From the bus stop, it's about a 40-minute uphill walk to Mary's Bridge. You can also take a horse carriage if you want a Fairytale vibe. The ticket office is near the lake, just walk past the small shops. You can take the carriage up to the castle and then walk to Mary's Bridge, which takes around 20 minutes one way. If I had to choose between the lake and Mary's Bridge, I'd go for the bridge. The view is just unbeatable. Look at this view, what a nice shot. Here's the castle from below, absolutely beautiful. If you want to tour inside the castle, make sure you arrive at least 2 hours early. Morning trains are best. Weekends have fewer trains and many shops close, so I'd recommend going on a weekday if you can. I booked my castle ticket about 3 months in advance and my DB train ticket 2 days before the trip, but if it's peak season, earlier is definitely safer. Europe's old buildings make my thoughts feel small, but my courage to travel alone feel big. I grabbed a light meal at Beim Olivenbauer, then found a fun little market at on-Freyberg-Park. Oh, and when you buy souvenirs here, they can even add your name. Such a cute keepsake idea, right? The old town of Fussen is super charming, you can easily walk around it in one loop. After a quiet moment at Ho's Schloss, it was time to say goodbye to Fussen. The next morning's breakfast was something simple. I couldn't skip the Munich residence, so here I am. And wow, it looks like everything's made out of seashells. So cool. Dinner was pasta and my new obsession, white German sausages. When you visit a church, take a moment to slow down, to let your heart feel calm and clean again. More moments of peace and kindness coming soon. So feel free to subscribe and wander with me. See you next time.